It's going.
Hi, sweet girl. Okay, I'm gonna put this on and see if you can talk and tell us about it, okay? First time with your PMV. Can you talk to us? Talk to sister. Can you talk? Talk to sister. Talk to Justine and Mommy. What you saying, huh? What you gonna say, huh? What do you think?
I'll put my watch on.
Connor, be quiet, please.
All right. What do you think, huh? Yeah. Oh, there's your cry. You okay? You doing all right? Yeah. Tell us about it. Oh, what a good girl. You hear yourself? Yeah.
I heard her say,
Yeah, you hear her?
I hear her.
Yeah. Wow, you're making noises.
That's because look.
Good girl. All right.
Yay,
Ellie.
Don't poke it.
Only for just a minute. Just one for a minute. Good girl.
Ellie,
Yeah,
that's
a
good.
girl. Yeah, brother and sister like to hear you talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without opening her
All
mouth.
right, let's take it back off. Oh, that's a
No,
good
let's
girl.
leave it on.
No, we can't leave it on too long, okay, for the first time. It'll wear her out, okay?
Oh.
It was awesome.
Yay.
I wish I could.
No, Connor.
Yeah.
No, here.
Good girl. What do you think about that, huh? You could hear yourself go.
She's saying, I love you.